Are you struggling with capturing recurring payments from your customers? Do you want to increase your customer lifetime value and minimize the effort required to process payments from repeat customers? Good news, you're in the right place. My name is Danielle and I'm from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin who wants to learn how to easily capture recurring payments and be a superstar for your organization, then you're in the right place. In this video, you will learn how simple it is to handle recurring transactions using Chargent, so you can capture more revenue from your customers and save your staff time. Before we dive in, I want you to know that we have a guide that outlines 10 ways to reduce your accounts receivable challenges in Salesforce with automation. It's linked in the description below for you to download right now. Okay, we're going to start our demo where I believe all great experiences start, with a cute puppy, Zappa. For the purposes of this reenactment, I will be acting as Zappa's parent, Buddy Holly, who is a customer of Doggo Daycare. I need them to look after Zappa while I go on tour. A representative at Doggo Daycare has sent me this email, and inside I see the details of Zappa's reservation. I also see a link to pay. This link leads me here to a fully customized payment page where I can easily make a payment for the reservation. I'll go ahead and enter my credit card information. When I submit, the page clearly shows me that the payment was successful. And then back in my email, I see my receipt, which documents for me that the payment was in fact successful. Zappa's stay at Doggo Daycare is bought and paid for. As a customer of Doggo Daycare, I'm quite happy. And while it was simple for me, the customer, to click and pay, it's just as easy for organizations to create and send payment links. Before we change roles to that of the Doggo Daycare merchant, I want you to know that in the description of this video, you'll find a link to our guide that outlines 10 ways to reduce your accounts receivable and collections challenges in Salesforce. Be sure to download it today. Now let's change perspective and I'll put on my customer service hat. As a dog care specialist here at Doggo Daycare, I need to see the payments that are made for upcoming stays. If I search for Zappa in the system, I can easily find the related reservation and the associated payment. Jumping forward about a month after his tour, Buddy Holly calls to say that he has to start going into the studio 2 days a week, and he'll need daycare for Zappa during those times. Luckily, at Doggo Daycare, we have a 2-day-a-week package for $80 a week or at a discounted rate of $290 a month with a minimum of 3 months. As the customer service agent helping Buddy, I select the monthly package and, using Chargent, I'm able to enter a recurring subscription payment in just a couple of steps. The Chargent payment console pre-populates data from the account record, making the setup of the subscription a breeze. Here, I can easily validate that the recurring transactions are set properly. By clicking this button, I can activate Chargent recurring billing to take $290 today and set automated recurring billing for each ensuing payment. As the Doggo Daycare rep, I'm happy. I don't have to worry about manually collecting payment from Buddy Holly, our customer. Buddy Holly is happy that he knows Zappa will be taken care of while he's recording his next album. And most importantly, Zappa will continue to enjoy time with his friends, all thanks to Chargent capturing and collecting recurring payments seamlessly. My name is Danielle and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And don't forget to download our accounts receivable guide in the description. And for more helpful content, watch this next video, where you can learn more about other Chargent features. And remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.